So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can unblock someone on Facebook that you have previously blocked. And for example, let me open the profile of this person, and if I tap on these three dots and block this person by confirming the block option. Now this person has been blocked, and now let's see that how can we unblock him. For that purpose, you have to first of all go to your home and go to your profile button by tapping on this button in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you have to press this settings gear in the top right corner of the screen, and after that you have to scroll down and scroll down to the end until you find this blocking option here. So you have to tap on blocking, and here you will find the list of all the persons, people and the pages you have blocked up to the day. From here you have to press this unblock button and tap on unblock, and now this person has been unblocked. If I go to my home screen again and I tap on the profile of this person, now here you can see I am able to see his profile and contents again. Now enjoy your relationship again. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.